Welcome back to the channel, y'all. So today, last time we seen there was a rat in that truck. So today we're gonna clean that inside out a little more with the vacuum, throw some mothballs in there, and then we're gonna get back on working on getting the transmission out. So that's the task at hand. Follow along. All right, we're gonna open the door, see if we can find this rat in here. No sign yet. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a ladder because I cut the tanks out and that step's not good anymore. I don't see him yet. Could be anywhere though. Woo! Well, you know, I don't want him to come at me and then, you know, I jump and fall out of the truck. Alright guys, so it's a weekend, and it's lunchtime, so I'm hungry, she's hungry, the wife's hungry. So we got the transmission. Obviously you can see I got it coming out somewhat, but I'm gonna have to do something else, have some type of other thing rigged up where I can pick it from the center so I can swing it back. I got 2 straps on there, front and back, and it's not working out the way I want it to. So I'm gonna have to come back and get it some other way. But yeah, we got the she took off the air intake so we can get to the engine a little better. There's no more air box right there, which is good. We can get to that when we need to. We went ahead and lifted the bed up a little more, just to have a little more room. What else? And we cleaned it out. We're gonna throw some mothballs inside to try and get rid of those rats. We cleaned up pretty well. She vacuumed everything inside. It's still a little dirty, but it's just, you know, so much dirt. We pulled out so much rat bedding nest. It's ridiculous. But it's looking better. It's actually smelling a little better too. We got all the rat nests from behind the dash, which is good. So alright, so I don't know if you guys could see me or not, but that's it for today. We're gonna call it a day. We'll be back on the truck here hopefully pretty soon, so we can get that transmission out, get it cleaned up, see if we can fix it. Now, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button and like button and comment. I read every comment, so please leave one. You guys have a nice day. Thank you.